Now we will start our exercise self practice 2a. In this, our first question is write the numbers represented by the blocks in all the three forms. Means we have to write the numbers in all the three forms, that is standard form, word form and expanded form. So in a question it is given to us 5000. So in the column of 1000 we will write 5 and 400. So in the 100 column we will write 4 tens. So in tens column we will write 4 and 8 ones. So in ones column we will write 8. So in standard form we are writing it in the number form. So our number will be 5,448. And in word form we are writing the spelling of this number. So our spelling of this is FIVE 5, THOUSAND 1000, FOUR 4, HUNDRED 100, FORTY 40, EIGST 8. And in expanded form we are writing the expansion of that number. So as 5 is in 1000 place, so we are writing 5000, plus 4 is in 100 place, so we are writing 400, plus 4 is in tens place, so we are writing 4040. Then 8 is in ones place, so we are writing plus 8. So our expanded form number will be 5000 plus 400 plus 40 plus 8. Then in B question it is given to us 6000. So in 1000 column we will write 6, and in 100 column it is given 2, so we will write 2 and 110. So tens column we will write 1, and nothing is given on ones place, so we will write 0 there. Whenever nothing is given in any of the place, so we are assuming 0 there. So in standard form our number will be 6,210, and in word form we are writing it the spelling of that number, that is SIX 6, THOUSAND 1000, TWO 2, HUNDRED 100, TEN 10. Then in expanded form we will write it as 6 is in 1000 place, so we will writing 6000 plus 2 is in 100 place, so 200 plus 10 plus 0. So our expanded form number will be 6000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 0. Then in C question it is given to us 4000. So in 1000 column we will write 4 and 7 tens. So in 7 tens. So in tens column we will write 7. Nothing is given to us in 100 place and ones place, so we are assuming there 0. So in standard form our number will be 4070, and in word form we will write the spelling of this number as FOUR 4, THOUSAND 1000, then 70, SEVENTY 70. And then our expanded form number will be 4000 plus 100 place nothing is given, so plus 0. Then tens plus 7 is there, 70 plus 0. So our expanded form number will be 4000 plus 0 plus 70 plus 0. Then come to the D question. In D question it is given to us 7000. So in 1000 column we will write 7 and 7 ones. So in ones column we will write 7. Again nothing is given to us in 100 and tens column, so we will write 0 there. So our standard form number will be 7007, and word form our number will be spelling of this SEVEN 7, THOUSAND 1000, SEVEN 7, that means 7007. Expanded form our number will be 7000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7. So our expanded form number will be 7000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7. Then in question number 2 it is given to us identify the numbers given in the following sentences and write their number names. In A1 our question is Vivek Express covers 4233 kilometers. It is the longest train route in India. So we have to identify the number in this question, then we have to write the number name of that number. So the number is given to us in this question is 4233. So the number name for that we will write it as FOUR 4, THOUSAND 1000, TWO 2, HUNDRED 100, THIRTY 30, THREE 3. So like this we will write. Then in B question it is given to us Virat Kohli has been the Indian cricket team captain since 2014. So the number name for this number will be 2014 will be TW2 THOUSAND 1000 FOURTEN 14. So like this we will write. Then C question, it is given to us Yuri Gagarin was the first human to journey into outer space in 1961. So the number is given to us 1961. So we will write the number name for that. The number name for this will be 1961. So we will write the spelling of this: ONE1 THOUSAND 1000 NINE 9 HUNDRED 100 SIXTY 60 ONE 1. Then in D question, it is given to us Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world and it is 8,848 meters above sea level. So the number is given to us 8,848. So the spelling we will write for this: EIGHT 8 THOUSAND 1000 EIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 FORTY 40 EIGHT 8. So like this we will complete our exercise 2A. Hope you understand.